Pallet enters climate-controlled warehouse. Pallet moves to loading bay. From tree to table, a new line. Pure magic.
Fresh avocados arrive at the factory. Every avocado gets thoroughly washed.
Only perfect avocados move forward.
Pits and skins are removed cleanly. Flesh turns into smooth green mash. Mash is gently kneaded to release oil. Paste kneaded longer to release more oil. Mash is pumped to the centrifuge.
Mash enters the decanter centrifuge.
Centrifuge separates solids from liquids.
Oil and water liquid flows out.
Polishing separator refines the liquid. Pure emerald oil flows from center.
Pure oil collects in holding tank.
First filtration removes fine particles. Second filtration polishes the oil.
Quality testing checks purity and color.
Oil moves to the bottling line. Bottles filled with pure emerald oil. Bottles are securely capped. Labels applied perfectly to bottles.
Every bottle gets final inspection.
Bottles packed into protective cases. Cases stacked neatly on pallets. Pallets wrapped and ready for shipment. Forklift picks up finished pallet. Pallet moves to warehouse storage. Pallet enters climate-controlled warehouse. Pallet placed into storage rack.
Temperature monitored for oil freshness.
Inventory scanned and logged. Final batch sample collected.
Lab confirms oil purity again.
Pallet approved for shipment. Pallet moves to loading bay.
Pallet prepared for truck loading.
Pallet secured inside the truck. Security seal applied to truck. Final manifest check completed.
Truck departs with fresh oil.
Truck clears factal exit gate.
Oil begins journey to customers.
Arrives at distribution center.
Pallet unloaded for distribution.
Pallet enters distribution network.
Pallet reaches automated sorting.
Pallet reaches automated sorting. Case is opened for retail orders. Retail bottles get final inspection.
Cases shrink wrapped for retail. Retail cases packed for delivery.
Boxes loaded into delivery van. Fresh oil delivered to stores.
Oil arrives at retail store.
Bottles stocked on store shelves. Pure avocado oil, ready for you.
Customer chooses fresh avocado oil.
Liquid gold from nature. Silky smooth avocado oil flows.
Ready to enhance your meals.
From tree to table, a new line. Pure magic.